Hi, so now after seeing the entire video using the POS device, and we'll now look at quick features what a dashboard has. It's simple to log in. I'm on the website of 𝗙𝗿𝗲𝗗. I have a login option here. I click on login and it will ask me for my account. So I'll have my account credentials available. I click on login and here the dashboard is. That's the first dashboard that I see. Probably you don't see any sales here because it's a holiday today, so probably I've not done any sales. But I have a calendar here which I click on, and probably I want to see the trend of last month. I click on last month and I see all the stores which I have. So probably I have a chicken shop, a supermart, a fruit and vegetable shop. All the sales that has happened for the last month are appearing here, and even it's giving me a denomination with the brackets. You cover the number of orders. If I go down, I even have a graphical view of my sales trends, how it's going, and also you can see the top selling products which are available with me. The next tab is the catalog tab. If I click on catalog, this is the place where you can manage your entire catalog, and this is from the same place. So if I click on if I have a dashboard, it gives me a complete view of the categories that I have in my business, the subcategories I have in business, the number of products or SKUs I have in my business, and probably any modifiers or income heads I have created for my business. And on the right hand side, you see any promotions which have been there and the time slabs from the point where the validation has been there. I also get a pie chart view which gives me a detailed view of my business. So brand wise items, like how many items are covered of what brand. I get a category wise distribution, and most importantly I also get income head wise distribution. Now you can set up an income head distribution for your business where maybe you want to track any hot selling items, maybe you want to set track items which are not selling at that moment. Maybe you've introduced something, a new item, if you want to track that. So this pie chart can give you distribution on that. So if I click on product, this is the place which will allow me to upload the catalog in bulk. So I have two functions here that we have given you for your ease. One is the create products. If I click on create product category, the same option is available on your POS device. So that means I can go one by one. I can upload a picture, the product name, the category I want to sell, the store I can sell. Do I want to make it available in the POS or selling? Do I want to sell it online? Simple radio buttons can really help you. The other option that I can go back and probably see is the bulk operations. Now bulk operations allows you to upload the products at one go. If you have more than 50 products or maybe 10 products, this allows you for a bulk operation. You can add product, you can even edit the products at the same go. Excel sheet, a spreadsheet downloads from where you can just play around and make all the changes in the one step itself. So even I have download products, and the most important feature that a lot of people are liking from us is the barcode. So we have given you a feature where you can just put in the product, and if you want to create a barcode for your own product, we give this option to you to where you can print the barcode from the same place. If you want to create any combos, we have a feature there. So create combos directly from here. If you are a store or probably a warehouse where you want to allot your products to multiple stores, I have an option here. You can define the categories, the subcategories. If you want to list the brand, what all brands do you want to keep, can keep that. You can even keep modifiers. You can even keep taxes if you want to add what taxes applies to what product. If you want to add some promotions, this option helps you to create promotions. You want to create some vouchers for your shop where you can print the vouchers and probably categorize and monitor and redeem the voucher as a mode of payment, can be completely tracked from here. Now both the options, bulk operations and create vouchers, are right present here. You can even create your own measurement unit. By default, we have given all the measurement units, which is either by piece or kilogram or liter, can be here. But if you have any specific measurement unit you want to add it, the function is available here. Now this also allows you to create memberships. If you are running an enterprise or a shop or a store and you want to sell out some membership, some offers to the customers, we have an option here to create membership. So that was under the catalog category. Again, as we say, inventory is the oxygen for any business. This is where I can see the entire flourishment of my entire business, total number of locations I have, the stock amount. I can see the values, purchase orders, how many created stock orders, and a quick glance of the product that I have. This is the place, this is the tab I can do my stock in. Now stock in, if I click on, again have two options. If it's just one product coming in, I can do it individually, and I can input the stock either by a new stock received, or if I've received the stock through a purchase order, or if I want to, if I've received the product through a requisition, or probably inventory batches if I've created, can be applied here. The same functionality is available using the bulk creation over here, which allows you again to download a spreadsheet, and probably you can do the same thing using the bulk operation at one go. Stock out, you want to damage the products which are damaged, of course you would like to stock out them. Probably this is the place where you can remove stock from your inventory, and you are always updated with the inventory. If you want to create a stock requisition, if you are sitting at one store, you want to create a requisition to the warehouse, this is a tab which you can use. And again, we have stock transfer the stock from either head office or the warehouse to the stores, or probably from store to store. All can be managed here using simple clicks that we have. Stock validation allows you for physical audits. So this is the place where you can really track your audits that can really help you maintain the real-time inventory. You want to create batches, and of course, if you want to create some stock approval process that before the stock comes in, you need a checkpoint or a toll gate which can help you validate the stock. We have an option here. The next is purchase. The purchase option again help you create functionalities around purchases. So the option that I get, the first is vendors. Using the vendor option, you get an option to create a vendor. So you can just click on create vendor, and you can enter the vendor name, the company name, and address, and what products, mobile number that you're creating. You can create a purchase order directly from here using this tab, the functionality. Now same again, we have given an option to create a purchase order, maybe a one purchase order, or probably you want to create in bulk for multiple products. This option is available. A spreadsheet gets downloaded, you add the product, upload the product, and it's done. You want to manage your vendor invoices. So yes, this is the easiest way. So soon you get to receive an invoice from the vendor. At the receivable part, you can just create an invoice, enter the details over here. And if you want to manage your invoices, now this is the tab which really helps you. So probably if I scroll this on the right hand side, I can see that the status, probably the red light colors, the red, the amber, and the green. The red would mean that it's, the orange would rather mean that it's partially paid. If it's unpaid, it's completely in red, and if it's completely paid, it's in paid. I can even update the information right using the option which is make payment. I can enter the amount if I'm making partial amount. If I'm making the payment through what mode can be selected here. Any remarks that you want to add, you can add that, and then boom, make a payment. The next is invoice settlement. So all the invoices which have been settled are absolutely visible here. And also to mention, for the audit purpose, for accounting purpose, if you want to download this entire worksheet, it's absolutely downloadable and can be shared via email as it gets downloaded through an Excel or a spreadsheet. Customers are the base. So over here, if I want to track the tendency of a customer, the customer's habit I want to track, is one place I can do. This is one place which gives me a graphical view of my active customers, inactive customers. So why they're inactive, probably I can drill down in the other reports. Also tells me how many new customers had been added at what stage. If you're running a promotion, can we see that? You can see how the purchase pattern of active customers, if they have gone up or down. I can click on list of customers. So whatever customers I have in my account are absolutely available here. And at the same time, if I keep on scrolling, I also see their purchase history, the contact name, the details that I want to enter. If I even want to view the history of this customer, what has been purchased in the past, absolutely visible here. That is enhancing your customer experience. If I want to see the order details, let me just quickly come back. Let me come back on the customers. So if I come back on the customers part, let me just do that. So probably list of customers, inactive customers. You want to see the list of inactive customers since how long they have been, and now you want to use this data for doing any promotions, running any promotions, can absolutely be done from here. It's on a downloadable format. So if you have any marketing tool that you're using to send them SMS, WhatsApp, social media, boom, we have that activity here. We can even do loyalty settings. So loyalty setting is something that we talk about creating a loyalty program. So if you want to create a loyalty program where this option can be done directly from here. And if you want to send SMS, control the activity and the pulse rate of the customers whenever they redeem or earn points, send a SMS can be done. The important feature that we have also mentioned here is send OTP to redeem points. So if you want to set a toll gate that a customer does not receive the points or cannot use the points as a mode of payment before a OTP, can be set from here. If I see customer credit sale, how many customers have done what credit sales, can absolutely be done from here. I can even view the history on what bills the account has been there. I can even do again the customer's credit settlement, the mode of payment this account was settled. A credit note history, so if I'm issuing a credit note against any return or purchase, something can be all managed and viewed from here. I even have a message in history that I can completely manage. So from here, if you want to see what all messages have been sent to the customer at what particular dates, can be managed from manage history. SMS credits, so of course credits are payable, so over here you can keep a track of your real account, that how the accounts can be created and what kind of balances do you have for SMS, how many SMS is left. WhatsApp credits at the same time, and even customer sales report can be accumulated from here. Any points earned, what are the redemption points, and again downloadable form if you want to analyze anything for your business growth, can do that. Reports, a very important section. So we have done sales, we have talked about inventory, but reports of 𝗙𝗿𝗲𝗗 offers you more than 100 reports at one place at simple click. This eliminates the people that you want to hire at an extra cost to take out and run pivots and play around Excel. These reports can really help you. So order reports are there, various reports of orders are available here. The regards and in-depth of the promotions, the discounts that you're running can be extracted from here. If you want to see the purchase order reports at the store level, the region level, can be called, downloaded from here itself. If you want to see the purchase return reports, that how many items have been returned or something, can be tracked from here itself. You even see promo invoices, so performer invoices can be tracked from here. You even have expenses. What all expenses are you occurring on a daily basis in your store? So maybe you're offering tea or some snacks to your employees, so you're keeping that track right at one place. Sales report, so the majority of the section that covers is all about the sales report. So if you want to track a store-wise sale, a store-wise product sale, product-wise sales, category-wise sales, batch-wise sales, device-wise sales, if you have multiple devices, so what device is selling well to optimize. If you want to track even employee-wise sale, you want to reward them, award them for the sales, trackable information can be done from here. Daily payment breakup, absolutely I have an option that which store is giving me a breakup of what all payments can be, and again downloadable, that can be sent to your backend account. Order payment history, anything that you're looking from the sales prospect is absolutely downloadable. So more than 100 reports are there. So quick mode to adder, if you're running an online store using the QB online dukan or e-dukan what we say, or an e-store what we say, can completely be tracked from here. I can even have a drop down if I want to categorize any store, can be done from here itself. Inventory, if I want to see the level of inventory, stock level inventory, stock wise level inventory, stock in operations, stock movement, how the stock, this particular stock is moving at what stage, what are the counts from day 1 to day 2 to day 3 is absolutely downloadable from here. Vendor input taxation is something that we are absolutely solving a problem here. Low stock products, so over here if you want to refill your product and you will see what products are going at a low level because you have set that bar, you can even download that alert from here and even create a stock alert right from here itself. We even have modifiers. So modifiers, most of F&B people would understand that. So probably if I'm ordering a pizza with some extra cheese or something, a modifier really goes there. User is somebody, I can do that. So even I can take an attendance report, a day info report, which is there, a batch info report, which can be mentioned here. Memberships, if I'm creating, memberships can be created right from here. Cash management, accounting system, of course, would require the cash management, the inventory, the low stock level and things and all. Now, if I'm running a store which is probably accepting different kind of currencies, I have an option which says currency validation, or even track it at the same time. Logs gives me information about product logs, device statement logs, and even loyalty programs. How is my loyalty program reacting here? If I can download all the kind of reports which are there. Now settings is very simple, but again very important. So few tabs I want to talk about setting. From sitting at one place, you're managing maybe 1 store, 10 stores, 100 stores, and of course 1,000 stores and multiple stores, and even multiple businesses can be managed from one place. So probably this is chain level. You can keep on editing the name that you want to add or information about your store. You can even create more stores at the different levels that you have in region 1 or region 2 or region 3 can be created right from here itself. You even have warehouses. So we want to create one warehouse, which is by default done. If you want to create multiple warehouses, can be done from here. If you want to categorize the region wise, can be absolutely done from here. Even we have a staff management tool. So probably if you want to create some more members who have joined you recently, if you want to specify a user right that a cashier would only be allowed to make bill, scan the bill, make a bill, but not void or cancel or return. Of course, the permissions can completely be managed from this tab itself. And a lot of other options, of course, which is absolutely robust and which can really help you to do that. We also have an option of e-stores. Of course, e-store is something everybody wants to go online. You can manage your entire e-store that you've created for yourself using the 𝗙𝗏𝗲𝗃 software application that can help you how many orders you've received, what are the deliverables, pending, payment collections can completely be done from here itself. So friends, that's 𝗙𝗏𝗲𝗃. 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗃 Cloud dashboard is what we call, and 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗃 dashboard is cloud based as we just discussed, and can be accessed from any device that you have, either it's a laptop or a Apple or any device that you have, completely be managed from here itself. So that's 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗃, and we wish you very happy growth with your business. Manage your business by simple clicks. Your entire business stays in your control. For any query, please call the numbers below. We'll be more than happy to assist you and take any of your questions and probably customize the demonstration as per your business for your business need. Thank you very much.